Good day everyone. So for this video, we're going to talk all about cognitive advantages and disadvantages of bilingualism. Growing up bilingual can be a tremendous blessing. In addition to the obvious benefit, for example, the ability to speak and understand more than one language. Recent research has revealed a number of cognitive advantages of bilingualism. Number 1. Better metalinguistic awareness, or the ability to identify and describe characteristics and features of language. Number 2 is the better classification skills. Number 3. Better concept formation. Number 4. Better analogical reasoning. Number 5. Better visual spatial skills. Number 6. Better storytelling skills. Number 7. Better semantic development. And number 8. Prevention of some neurological disabilities. First, cognitive benefit. The bilingual people can have some specific advantages in thinking. They have two or more words for each idea and object. Hence, a bilingual person can develop a creative thinking and an ability to think more flexibly. The bilinguals are more aware about which language should be spoken, which person in a particular situation. Therefore, they are more sensitive to the needs of the listener than the monolingual people. Being bilingual has a positive effect on intellectual growth. It enhances and enriches person's mental development. The latest research has proved that the bilinguals are better at IQ tests as compared to the monolinguals. Bilingualism is good for the brain. People who speak more than one language seem to perform better on a variety of cognitive tasks. Being bilingual may boost your brain power. Research suggests that the growing numbers of bilingual speakers may have an advantage that goes beyond communication. It turns out that being bilingual is also good for your brain. This shows the type of bilingualism and its corresponding cognitive effects. Number 2 is communication advantages. The bilinguals enjoy reading and writing in different languages. They can understand and appreciate literatures in various languages. It gives a deeper knowledge of different ideas and traditions. It helps improve the ways of thinking and behaving. The pleasures of reading poetry, novels, and magazines, as well as the enjoyment of writing to the family and friends, are doubled for bilinguals. They don't face difficulties in communication while in a foreign country. Number 3. Cultural advantages. Bilingualism offers an access and exposure to different cultures. Knowledge of different languages offers a treasure of traditional and contemporary sayings, idioms, history, and folk stories, music, literature, and poetry in different cultures. Due to wider cultural experience, there is greater tolerance of differences in creeds and customs. Number 4. Character advantages. The bilinguals are able to switch between different languages and talk to different people in various languages. It increases a sense of self-esteem. Being bilingual creates a powerful link in different people from different countries as well. Number 5. More opportunities for work. Being bilingual greatly enhances your ability to find work in certain fields, especially where international businesses is concerned. Now let's proceed to the disadvantages of being bilingual. The biggest issue with being bilingual is the mix up of words, terms, and grammar. When the language one speaks most in is not the same as the one you think, and there is usually a high mix of phrases of grammar. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching and keep learning. Have a nice day. Bye.